And now, your News 13 Skywatch weather.
Well, hopefully you've been preparing for it because it is here. The cold Arctic air has arrived. The snow has arrived with it as well, but not for everybody just yet. It's snowing in the highest elevations. We can prove that to you with our Hunter Subaru Skycam network. Wherever you see the clouds here, pretty much above 4,000 feet. Yep. Snow's coming down. The ground is already white in parts of Haywood County and also up into Madison and Yancey. Down here in the valleys, we haven't seen much yet. It's still above freezing, obviously, by several degrees. But notice this, a little hint of some moisture down here into Jackson County. That's Silva, and a little shower activity dampening the street there. That's my concern. If we get enough moisture to make these roads wet, they could turn icy, no doubt, as the temperatures begin to really fall in the coming hours. We're very close, of course, obviously, to sunset now. This evening, the mountain snow has started, mostly near Tennessee. The snow will get down to the valley floors in most cases later tonight. Then Thursday morning, the valleys will see the snow eventually taper while the mountains will stay snowy. And I think by the late afternoon, mountains are already seeing that snow taper off, but it's going to be a while. Here's the first round of moisture to hit the mountains and some of the valleys. Again, temperatures down below 3,500 feet are warm enough to keep this from really accumulating. The next weather maker is certainly this Arctic chill that's going to be with us for a couple of days, and it will be reinforced down the road. So we have even more weather-worn days to talk about in the 7-day forecast. But first and foremost, this is the timing of more of that snow. By 10 o'clock tonight, we have snowflakes down into Buncombe County and maybe sticking in some places farther north of the city on elevated surfaces. So keep that in mind. Might get bands of some snow squalls to work through overnight into the morning. And then look at that surge of new snow that could develop right along and near the Tennessee state line by early afternoon tomorrow. And we're still underneath clouds much of the day in Asheville. So any of those clouds could produce some snowflakes for us. It's going to start out very cold Friday morning in the teens. It does warm up nicely, though, into the 40s. We're going to see a big warm up on Friday, but still about average or below average in some cases in terms of the numbers. Here are the other numbers that most are concerned about. How much snow? Well, the Smokies are really going to favor 8 to 9, maybe high end 10 inches of snow. And you look at Wolf Laurel, that's a favorite place for some big snow up there, and about 5 inches or more. Banner Elk, Beech Mountain, maybe close to 4 inches. Come down into the valleys, it's much, much less. Again, light accumulations, but there could be enough to keep those roads a little icy overnight into the morning. Look at the frigid temperatures. This is the feels like forecast into Thursday morning, below 0 in the mountains, high up, down to single digits. We'll have another weather-worn day as we start out Sunday morning with reinforcing Arctic air. And look at this, another weather-worn day next Tuesday as yet another shot of Arctic air hits us. We'll have single digits above and below 0 for wind chills Thursday or Tuesday next week. So look at this. All right. Wintry blast tonight and tomorrow. We warm up nicely Friday into Saturday. There is a chance we could see overnight Friday into Saturday a little bit of some snow hitting the mountains again as we bottom out close to freezing or below Saturday morning. Then we get reinforced with the cold Arctic air Sunday. That looks dry mostly, and then another shot comes Tuesday. So all of those days will be weather-worn days you see in red.